In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA with 2 players. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to play GTA 5 with 2 players is to set up an invite-only session. You can do this by launching the game, going into story mode, open up the menu, go into the online tab and start online. In there, you will be able to make an invite-only matchmaking session like I mentioned. It is very important that you select invite-only session because this will make it so only you and your friends join this specific session and no strangers or random people will join you. Once you are done setting up the invite-only session, you can go over to the Friends tab to select Send Game Invite under your friend. Alternatively, they can also just go to their Friends tab and select Join Game under your name. You can do this on any platform and play with as many friends as you want, but this is the best way to play with 2 players on GTA 5. Doing it online makes this process much more convenient and fast, and it is going to ensure that you and your friend get a good connection. You can do everything that you wish, and you can invite more friends like I mentioned in the beginning. Once you start a mission, you will get a prompt to start the mission together, and both of you will be able to do everything. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA with 2 players. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.